Yeah.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Nose.
Yes.
That's her nose. That's Dylan's nose.
Daddy's nose.
Daddy's nose.
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 Yeah, that's right.
Hello.
What's this? Toes?
Toes. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Dylan, look at how little her feet are next to yours. Be gentle. See how little?
Ow, ow.
And be careful with your head, remember? Try not to hit your head against hers.
Me, me.
Mm-hmm. And that's your knee right here.
Dylan, you're doing so good.
Mm-hmm.
You are doing so good, Dylan.
Paper train.
Yeah.
The back dumpy trains.
Yeah.
I'm on.
You're good, buddy. Give me 5. Yeah. Knuckle, knuckle, knuckle. All right.
Perfect.
Pillow.
Pillow, yeah. That's when we put her back on the pillow. For now, you're holding her. And you're doing a good job.
The horse head, Mama.
You wanna put her back on the pillow?
No.
You wanna keep her here?
Where was
Feel how soft her skin is. Isn't it soft? It's fragile. You wanna sit-
Be careful. Dylan.
Okay.
Okay, all done? Okay.
the baby.
Here.
All right, Dylan. Hey, good job, Dylan. You're a good big brother, buddy. You're a good...
Oh, Dylan, look
you're-
at. Oh, see, she doesn't even want to leave you.
Pillow. Pillow. Pillow.
We'll put her on the
Here,
pillow.
go,
Let me
Dylan.
just go like this to her a little bit.
Dylan, for the family, say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.